Are you looking for the best car buffers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best car buffers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Rupes LHR21 Mark III Buffer Polisher. Among serious detailers and professionals, Rupes is the go-to brand for buffers. The LHR21 features a large 21mm orbit, a 30-foot-long power cord, a 500-watt motor with an operating range between 300 and 4500 OPM, 6 speed settings, and a variable trigger. More than any of these features, what justifies the higher price of the LHR21 is Rupes' strong reputation for uncompromised quality. Rupes has been making some of the highest quality machines in Italy for nearly 100 years. Despite being a favorite of the pros, it is also easy for new detailers to pick up and take it for a spin. Pros. Pro. Large 21mm orbital area. Pro. Relatively lightweight. Cons. Con. Price point might be too high for casual users. Number 2. Adams Polish's Swirl Killer 9mm LT Polisher. The Adams Polish's 9mm dual-action car polisher is a versatile and user-friendly buffer designed for car detailing enthusiasts and professionals alike. It's a great option for those looking to remove scratches, apply wax, or enhance paintwork without the risk of damage associated with rotary polishers. Key features. 9mm orbital throw offers a balance between power and safety, making it effective for light to moderate paint correction. Variable speed settings allows users to adjust the speed for different detailing tasks. Ergonomic design, lightweight and comfortable to handle for extended polishing sessions. Dual action motion reduces the chances of creating swirl marks or damaging paint compared to rotary polishers. Pros. White heavy check mark, easy to use for beginners and professionals. White heavy check mark, gentle yet effective for paint correction and waxing. White heavy check mark, lightweight and ergonomic for extended use. Cons. Crossmark 9mm throw may be less effective for heavy paint correction compared to larger orbit polishers. Crossmark not as powerful as premium professional grade polishers. Overall, Adams 9mm dual action polisher is a solid choice for detailers looking for a safe and reliable buffer that can handle light to moderate correction work. Would you like this formatted for a video script, product listing, or review post? Number 3. Chemical Guys TORQX Random Orbital Polisher. As usual, when it comes to detailing, Chemical Guys has all the bases covered. The TORQX is a dual-action polisher that's intended to be good enough for professional jobs but also easy enough for a novice to use. It features a 680-watt motor with 6 speed settings, 1200 to 4200 OPM, easy-to-use controls, and interchangeable backing plates, which means you can use it for big or small jobs. During testing, the gear team found that the plastic handle created fatigue over extended periods of use. Pros. Pro. Long cord. Pro. Easy to use. Cons. Con. Ergonomics could be better. Number 4. DeWalt Buffer Polisher. DeWalt is a big name when it comes to power tools, so producing a quality buffer seems like a no-brainer. It has a nice array of features like soft start, which minimizes splatter when you first power on the buffer. It's also got a 1250-watt motor with an operating range of 600 to 3500 RPM, an adjustable handle, wool ingestion shields, and a variable speed trigger. Note that this is not a dual-action buffer, and as such, it should be used with caution by non-professionals. Pros. Pro. Very powerful. Pro. Plenty of features. Cons. Con. Large and cumbersome. Con. Not ideal for beginners. Number 5. Griot's Garage G9 Random Orbital Polisher. Griot's G9 polisher makes a strong case for itself. It has a powerful 1000-watt motor with an operating range between 2000 and 6400 OPM, as well as 6 speed settings. It's also loaded with neat features like a fan-cooled counterbalance to keep things smooth, a quick-connect power cord, plenty of rubber grips for comfort, and a temperature management system that monitors the machine and shuts down when it exceeds normal operating temperature. The G9 offers more features than many of the other buffers on our list while still being among the most affordable. Pros. Pro. Offers features more expensive machines don't. Pro. One of the most powerful of the bunch. Cons. Con. Relatively short 10-foot power cord.